Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make waffles from pancake batter. First, gather your favorite pancake batter recipe. To ensure crispy waffles, incorporate 2 tablespoons of oil or melted butter for every 1 cup of batter you plan to use. This extra fat is crucial for achieving that perfect waffle texture. Next, make sure your waffle iron is preheated to a medium-high setting, ready for cooking. Once your waffle iron is hot, lightly grease the plates with cooking spray or a brush of oil to prevent sticking. Carefully pour about 1/2 to 3/4 cup of batter onto the center of the lower plate, depending on your waffle iron size. Close the lid and cook for approximately 3 to 5 minutes, or until the steam stops and your waffles are beautifully golden brown and crisp. For the best results, remember not to overmix your batter. A few small lumps are perfectly acceptable and can even lead to a lighter texture. Resist the urge to open the waffle iron too soon, as this can disrupt the cooking process and prevent proper browning. Once cooked, remove your waffles and serve them immediately with your favorite toppings for a delicious treat. If your waffles turn out soggy, try increasing the cooking time by about 30 seconds to 1 minute for extra crispness. If they are sticking, double-check that your waffle iron is properly greased and fully preheated before adding batter. Remember, a hot iron is key to preventing sticking. And speaking of keeping things clean, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals to upgrade your home. It's a fantastic way to keep your kitchen tidy after your waffle-making adventures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.